Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Muna, on behalf of the local government of Baguio, on behalf of the city of Baguio, on behalf of my family, pinabati ko kayo ng bagong taon. Habang ipinagdiriwang po natin, kung pagpasok po ng bagong taon, isipin po lagi natin, safety first, safety matters. And as we get into 2025, let's all reflect on the blessings that we have received in 2024 and the previous years. Kung minsan, kailangan natin isipin kung ano yung mga natatanggap natin mga kaligayahan at the same time, yung mga blessings po natin kasi minsan nakalimutan po tayo magsabi man lang na thank you very much, Lord. Thank you very much to our parents. Thank you very much to our friends. And thank you very much to our community. At habang naharapin po natin